You might have made this recipe before, but probably not with this secret ingredient that will make this dish so good. It all starts with cutting the broccolis. Cut the broccoli heads into individual crowns. With this recipe, you can either go with boiled broccoli or roasted broccolis. You can roast them in the oven or in the air fryer. But here in the video, we will go with boiled. If you like to see the oven or air fryer method, let me know in the comments. Have your pot ready. Add in hot water from the kettle. Some salt to the water. Mix in the salt and the water to make sure that the salt has dissolved completely. Once the water has boiled, it's time to add in the broccoli. Turn off the heat. Let the broccoli cook for a few minutes. And cover. While the broccoli cools down, let's prepare the garlic. What you need to do for the garlic is chop it into small pieces. I would not recommend doing it in any other way, like mincing or crushing the garlic. In this recipe, you really want the garlic bites in your taste buds. The broccoli should not stay in the water more than 5 minutes. Drain the broccoli. Add in about a third of a butter, which is about 40 grams, followed by your garlic. Turn on your heat. Mix and stir the garlic and the butter until all the butter has melted. Then turn off the heat and get ready to serve. You can definitely serve this on its own, like this, and it's delicious. But I know you've been waiting for the secret ingredient. And the secret ingredient is soy sauce. Adding soy sauce to this recipe will make the difference. Just imagine the richness of the butter and the great taste of garlic with the saltiness of the soy sauce. It is so good. Try it and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends.